compete with her. Perfection is the only word I think of when I think of Magnolia. Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be teaching this song to you guys as if you're going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. And not only that, I'm also going to be teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to be using for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. So all in all, we have the C sharp major 7, F sharp major 7, F sharp minor 7, F minor 7, and this version of the F minor 7, E minor 7, D sharp minor 7, G sharp 13 chord, which is going to be this one right here, then the C minor 7 flat 5 chord, F7 sharp 5 chord, A sharp minor 7, A minor 7, G sharp minor 7, A sharp 7 sharp 5 chord, way too many sharps, D sharp minor 7 flat 5 chord, F minor 7 flat 5, and then A sharp 7 chord. If you like playing Laufey songs, you're gonna see these types of chords a lot. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's pretty simple. It's going to be like this. Yep. So it's going to be your thumb on the bass string, index finger on the D string. It's going to be your middle finger on the G string. It's going to be your ring finger in the B string. Then back up on the G string. Then back up on the D string. Bass, D, G, B, G, then D. And with that said, that entire plucking pattern will be worked for 6 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. And for chords that you need to play for 3 counts in this song, we're only going to be playing the first chords that you need to play for in this strumming pattern. So it's just going to be the bass, D, and the G strings. Okay, so for the verse sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, so for the chorus sections of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. How can I compete with her? Perfection is the only word I think of when I think of Magnolia. She doesn't know that the world is turning just for her. I wish I could be Magnolia. Okay, and as for the interlude section of this song, which is right after the first chorus section of the song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. And lastly, for the outro section of this song, which is right after the second chorus section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. So yeah, this is the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below as well, so that you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And I'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch me other Laufey guitar tutorials, or guitar tutorials in general for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.